Hello everyone, welcome to Tech Tuxedo. Today we will be talking about cronjobs, and I will be showing you how to set up cronjobs and how to schedule your stuff with cronjobs. So we spoke about add command earlier. If you are looking for add command, you can go to my page, my channel, and scroll down to watch that video. Okay, let's start with cronjob today. Okay, so I'm gonna set up a cronjob. Command is crontab -e. In there I'm gonna put a comment. This is my first cronjob. Now it's a good way of putting a cronjob. Believe me guys, if you're working in an environment, you will probably set up, if you're working in a production environment, you will probably set up a lot more cronjobs, and it's really difficult to remember all of them. So it's a good practice if you put a comment so to describe what the job does. Now a cronjob has its own format, so I'm going to tell you about the format now. So we have basically 5 columns you have to fill in. The first one is based minute actually. So if I say star over here, it means it's gonna run every minute. Then if I want it at a particular time, let's say if I want it to run at 18 hours daily, that's gonna run at 18:01 to 18:59 daily. Then it's the month. It's the day of the month, and I'm going to say it's to run it every day. And then it's the month itself, Jan, Feb, March. I'm going to say to run it every month. And then the day of the week, that's from 0 is for Sunday, and for Friday, 6 is for Saturday. And then if you put a star, it means it's going to run every day. And a good practice over here is to first call your batch profile. So I'm going to call my batch profile first, because that's going to call all the variables. And then you call in your script. I know my script is called hello, and then probably you would like to create a log file, hello log, and we're done. So you can view your cron, you can edit your cron by using crontab -e, and you can view your cron with crontab -l. It's going to show you the cron is running. It's 15:40 now, so I'm going to set it up at 15 over here. So it's going to run from 15:00 to 15:59 every minute. It's going to run, and you see it's running. So now if I wanted to run the particular time, let's say our time was 10:40 and I wanted to run at 43 now, so this means it's going to run at 15:43 only and not at any other time. So it's going to run daily at 15:43. Time is 41 now. Let me just put it to 42 actually. We can't wait for that long. Okay. So in next 15 minutes it's gonna run, and just to clear the syntax again, it's the minutes first, and then the hour next, and then the day of the month from 1 to 30 next, and then the month itself next, and then the day of the week next. And you can mix up all of them to create really good timings according to your need. Now if we want it to run at the same time, only on the 8th of every month, cronjob is gonna look like this. So guys, I'm gonna edit it. I'm gonna say only at 15:42. on 8th of every month. $15.42 every day. And similarly, if you want a cron job to actually run, suppose like only let's say only in January, you wanna say it like this, 1500 hours, so it's gonna run only once at 1500 hours on January. So for the whole month of January, it's gonna run at 1500 hours. And similarly, you can set up your cron job. Now suppose if you want a cron job to run on Sunday, every Sunday, you wanna say, okay, I want it to run on every Sunday, and 0 for Sunday and 6 for Saturday and so on, and then 7 for Sunday as well. So you can either say 0 or 7 for Sunday. So this is gonna run at 1500 hours on Sunday. So remember guys, I've put in 00 over here, and if I put a star over here, then only it's gonna run every minute. If it's a 00, it's gonna only run once. Okay, now if you want it to run every 5 minutes, I'm gonna say every 5 minutes, and the job is gonna look like star/5, and then because it's running every 5 minutes, I'm gonna give 4 stars, and then this job. This is 5 minutes. Okay, and WQJ save your cron tab, and then probably I think it was running every minute, and it also run because it's the time is divisible by 5. It's probably run the 5 minutes cron job as well. And yeah, it did run. You can see it ran at 45. Okay guys, hope this was useful. Yeah, one more thing I want to show you. You can not only view or edit your own crop, you can go and look for any user and edit any user's cron by simply giving -u option in the end and the username. So because I knew I had a user called TechTux, I did it. And similarly, you can even edit TechTux cronjob by -e. So guys, it's a cool way of setting up your cron jobs. If you have anything and you want it to run at a particular time, this is the way to go. And also add is also very useful, cron is also very useful, so it's basically your choice if you want to go for any of them. Please like and subscribe to my channel. Also put in your comment which command do you think is the best at our cron job. Thank you, thanks for watching, have a good day.